Okay, so I watched some videos from the MBARI, but I watched probably an hour and a half's worth of videos from Nautilus because I really loved their videos and just how excited the scientists would get over everything. And it made it seem like being a scientist doesn't mean that you have to like give up your passion, which is great. So, yeah, I saw lots of cool animals. Um, Especially, the deep sea ones. I think my favorite would be a vampire squid. I think they're my new favorite undersea animal because they look super awesome and they like puff and and their eyes are like super cool and it feels like you could see the universe in one of them. And vampire squid are also in Animal Crossing, which is great because I always love Animal Crossing. Yeah, I saw a lot of different versions of like where coral can grow. I also saw this, which I took a picture of. It's a bunch of coral and stuff growing on like an old gun turret, which from a sunken ship, which I thought was awesome. Okay. So some of the species I saw were the Dumbo octopus, super cute, and it is in the scientific name is Grimpoteus of the order Octopoda. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the family. It's very complicated looking, but I like that they have like the little like ears that propel them. Well, I know they're just fins, but it looks really cool. There's also this octopus that like puffed up, and it looked really neat, but I don't remember what it was. And then the vampire squid is Vampirotephus infernalis, which literally means vampire squid from hell, which is great. And when you give it to the museum in Animal Crossing, the Blather's the guy who accepts everything. He says it means vampire squid from heck, which I think is funny. And then basket corals. They are Their scientific name is Paragorgia arborea, which is cool. Arborea is like arboreum. I think that has something to do with trees. So it's a Cnidaria, the class Octocoralia. It is a Alcyonaceae in the family Paragorgidae. And then a couple of animals that I thought were really cool. The first one, I didn't quite catch what the like scientific name is, but it's this cuttlefish from one of the Nautilus expeditions, from their 2016 expedition. And I believe it was in the same video as the turrets, and that was near Greater Farionis National Marine Sanctuary. They're talking about how it just looks like it has googly eyes and how it looks like it's a fake creature that was just put there by somebody, which is really cute. And yeah, this one really stuck out to me in my memory in the ones I was watching, so I went back for it. And then in near PMNM, they found a chimera, which is really neat because I remember talking about chimera and how it's pretty unique. And it looked really funky and really cool, so I decided to include it. And then finally, I don't know what this is. I image searched it. I searched the Nautilus site. I tried searching what they said about it. This is also near PMNM, but it's this. They took a sample of it in the video. They didn't really say anything else about it. But it looks like it's this big, almost sponge-like thing, and when they took a sample of it, it just came away very easily. And it has these little pink things living on it. But I included that in the video because I wanted to know if anybody knows what that actually is, because I couldn't find anything about it anywhere. Alright, so that's my video. Thanks so much.